Hello everyone, welcome back for today's puzzle. We are just continuing on in the book. I do make a small commission for any purchases of the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 67. Let's just start with this box here. It looks like we're missing a 1 and a 3. And I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. We can finish out this column here. Looks like we are missing a 3. We do this row here, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so 4, 2 here, so 1, 2. So for this box then, we're missing a 6 and a 9. We've got a 6 up here, so 9, 6. For this row then, looks like we're missing 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5 and 8. For this box then, looks like we're missing a 3 and a 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this box, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. If we look at this column, looks like we're missing a 3, 7, and 9. No help here, but we've got 7 and 9 here. So this is our 3, and we've got a 9 here, so 7 and 9. So for this box then, we're missing a 2, a 5, and a 7. Got the 7 there. So 2, 5. Got the 5 there with that 7. So that makes this our 2, 5, 7. So for this column then, looks like we're missing a 4 and 8, and we don't have any help. And for this column, looks like we're missing a 1 and 2. We've got a 2 there. So 1, 2. So for this row, looks like we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got the 3 here, which means this has to be our 1. That makes that our 3. Or sorry, that makes this our 3, and this our 1. So we're still missing a 1 and 7 here. We've got a 7, so 1, 7. Finish off this row, looks like we're missing an 8. For this box then, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6 and 5. For this column, looks like we're missing a 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 in this row, so this is our 1, 7 here, so 9, 7. So for this box then, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 and an 8 in this row. 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 4 and our 8. So then for this row, looks like we're missing a 1 and a 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. Finish out the box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 there, so 4 and 5. All right, there was today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me, and we will see you back here tomorrow for the next puzzle.